Good morning, children. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, Mental Arithmetic. In mental arithmetic, we are going to learn estimation and approximation. Now, what is approximation? Approximation means the value or quantity that is nearly the same but not the exact number, or not, it is not in a correct number. Estimation means a rough calculation of the value or a number or a quantity to some extent. Okay. Now, approximation is calculation known as estimation. Now, you have learned uh, rounding up to nearest place in 4th standard. That is 10th place, 100th place, isn't it? Now, we will just revise it, okay? That is estimating to nearest 10th place. So, here the number is 583. Now, 10th place here is 83. So 8 is in 10th place. So the value will be 80. Now 5 is common number. So you will, on your number line, you will write 500 common. Okay. And you will start with the lowest tens number. That is 510. So you will start with 500 and you will continue till 600. That is 510, 520, so on till 600. Then you will mark the number 583. Now 583 will come between 580 and 590. Now you can see the arrow mark there where I have written 583. Now this is closer to 580, isn't it? So when you estimate to nearest number, that is 583, when you estimate, it will come to 580. Now we'll move on to the next example. This is in thousands place. Okay, but you're going to estimate to nearest tens place. 2837. Now 2800 will be common number on your number line. Only you will be changing the tens place. That is, you will start with the lowest number. The first number will be 2800. The next will be 2810. Next will be 2820, 30. It will go on to 3000. So you are going to mark 2837 on your number line. Now you can see the arrow mark. Okay. Now it is coming between 2830 and 2840. Now where it is closer? Yes, it is closer to 2840. So when we estimate 2837 to nearest place, you get 2840. Now we'll move on to the estimating number nearest to hundreds place. Now here the number is 5764. So 5000 will be the common number on your number scale. Hundreds, you will start with the lowest number, that is 100. So you will move on 500, 5100, 5200, 5300, and so on till 6000. So then you are going to mark the number 5764. So 764 will come between 5700 and 5800. Now you can see the arrow mark with the number 5764. So where it is nearer? Yes, it is nearer to 5800. So when you estimate 5764 nearest to hundreds place, you get 5800. Now we'll move to the next one, that is nearest to hundreds place only. So here the number is 3548. 3000 is common number on your numbers line. So 500. Now the smallest 100 is 100. So it will start with 3100, 3200, 3400, and it will go on to 4000. Now we will mark 3,548 on your number line. So it will come between 3,500 and 3,600. Now you can see the number. It is closer to 3,500. Okay. So when you round up 3,548 to hundreds place, it will come 3,500.
Now we'll move on to the next place, that is the nearest to thousands place, estimating to nearest to thousands place. Now the number here is 1897. Now on your number line you will have the numbers starting from 1000. The next number will be 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. It will go up to 10,000. Now here it is 1897. So the number will come between 1000 and 2000. You can see that arrow mark. Yes, it is closer to 2000. So 1897 estimated to thousands place, you get 2000. Now the next number will start nearest to the thousands place only. Here we have 25,346. Now this 20,000 will remain constant. Only the thousands place number will change on your number line. That is 20,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25,000. It will move on to 30,000. Now 25,346 will come between 25,000 and 26,000. Now 25,346 is nearer to 25,000. So you can see that arrow mark, which is the nearest number. So when you estimate 25,346, it will be rounded up to 25,000. Now we move on to 10,000s place, estimating to 10,000. Now here the number is 12,654. So the numbers will start from 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 and move on to 1 lakh on your number line. So 12,654 comes between 10,000 and 20,000. Now this number is nearer to 10,000. So when you round up, it will be nearer to 10,000. So 12,654 rounded up to nearest to 10,000 places, 10,000. Now the next example is 25,748. So here also we'll start on the number line with 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and move up to 1 lakh. So 25,000 will come between 20,000 and 30,000. Now you can see here the arrow mark. The number is nearest to 30,000. So when you estimate or round up 25,748, it will come up to 30,000. Now we will do the addition of estimate and estimate the sum. Okay. Now the sum is estimate 2,462 and 3,487. You have to add this and then you have to bring it to nearest to tens place also. Both you have to estimate it also and you have to verify it also. Okay, now we'll do the addition. That is, when you round up 2,462, it will come to 2,460 and 3,487, it will come nearest to 3,490. Now we'll add these two numbers. That is 2,460 plus 3,490. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is your estimated sum. and the real value sum is actual number, that is 2462 plus 3487. Now these two if you add, 2 plus 7 is 9, 6 plus 8 is 14. You will carry 1 to hundreds place, 4 you will write in tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the actual sum, and estimated answer is 5950. Actual sum is 5949. So now estimated sum is nearly equal to actual sum. So the only difference you will find is number 1. Now we'll move on to the next example. Estimate the sum of 8743 and 7275 nearest to hundreds place. Now first we'll estimate the numbers. 8743 nearest will be 8700, and 8275 it will be nearest to 7300. Now we'll add these numbers. That is 8700 plus 7300. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. This is your estimated sum. Now the real sum we will do. That is 8743 and 7275. So 3 plus 5, 8. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 16. So this is your real sum. Okay, real value or actual value. So the estimated value is nearly equal to actual sum.